Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to use Outlier AI. So you just have to go to any web browser and then type Outlier AI. And this is the interface of Outlier AI. So what is this AI I'm talking about? Outlier AI is a powerful tool designed to streamline business analysis by automating insights from large data sets. Its latest update includes enhanced features that allow users to seamlessly transition from AI generated insights to deeper data analysis with a single click. So you see this join a community of innovators. Well, Outlier AI is a platform designed to automatically analyze large data sets, including identifying trends and anomalies. This tool can be applied across various industries, including those dealing with quantitative fields like math and chemistry, as you can see here, where large data sets are often analyzed. So as you can see, mathematical modeling, helping analyze trends in complex data sets such as chemical reaction rates, financial predictions, or industrial outputs. Also, you can see here data analysis in chemistry. If you click this chemistry, identifying unexpected results in lab experiments, discovering trends in chemical compounds, or analyzing large amounts of data from chemical experiments. And here are the other benefits of using Outlier AI. Automated insights. So Outlier AI continuously scans your business data to uncover hidden patterns, trends, and anomalies. Number two, connecting with other tools. With the update, Outlier AI integrates easily into your existing workflow. You can now connect the platform to your BI or business intelligence tools, CRM systems, and raw data sources. Number three, exporting data. So you can export the insights generated by Outlier in multiple formats such as CSV, SQL queries, image, or even PDFs. And number four is data collections. Outlier now features collections allowing you to organize related insights in one place. This is particularly useful for team working collaboratively on specific areas of a business or projects where multiple insights need to be tracked over time. I really hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.